Are you the one who is confused or thinking to start your own coding journey? Then come join with me. Hey, I am Chandu, and in this video I'll be talking about the necessary steps that you need to take before starting your coding journey. And if you're the one who is thinking to start or passionate about learning coding but couldn't know where to start from or how to start, and if you are joining any college or couldn't know which language to start from, then watch the video till the end and understand each and every steps that you need to take before starting the coding. Number one is you need to understand why you want to code. There are many number of paths, like whether you may be interested in building applications, websites, or you may be curious in problem solving skills. But you need to understand what motivated you the most that you want to start coding. Like, take a moment and understand each and every step that you have taken before starting coding. Like, what motivated you the most to start this coding journey? Take a moment, like, what do you want to achieve through coding? uh, Understand each and every step before starting this coding journey. Afterwards, number two is choosing a right language. See, in this world of coding languages, there are plenty number of languages like C, C++, Java, Python, and many. But you do not need to learn every language. Like, start with a particular single language that excites you the most and that aligns with your goals. Like, Python would be the best and the simple language for the beginners who are starting coding. Like, there are many paths in the coding as well. Like, if you are interested in building websites, then you can move onto the web development path. Or if you're the one who is interested in building applications like apps, then you can move on to the Android development path. There is a slight bit difference in the coding, like languages from web development as well as Android development. In Android development, there may be language using Kotlin or Java, and whereas when it comes to web development, there will be using many languages: JavaScript, React, Flask, many. There are many languages that you can learn if you want to start coding. Number three is setting a realistic goals. Yeah, setting realistic goals is crucial for this coding journey. Like, don't aim to build a complex apps from the day one itself. Like, start with a small and achievable task you can do so far. Like, it could be as simple as possible. If I could start coding from the scratch, we would obviously start printing the hello world program on the screen. Like, take it as simple as printing hello world program on the screen, then gradually increase the complexity as you gain the knowledge. See, setting a realistic goal is very crucial in this coding journey. Like, we need to be consistent throughout this coding in order to be more specific in these every languages. Number four is obviously utilizing the online resources. Like, we are lucky in this world, like, in this internet you can find abundance number of online resources if you are wanted to start the coding journey. Like, there are many platforms like Code Academy, Khan Academy, or Free Code Camp, which offers interactive lessons, and you can even search it on the YouTube. Like, if you are interested to start the Python course, just head over to the YouTube and search for the Python crash course for beginners. There are plenty number of online resources. And if you want to start learning theoretical parts, then you can just head over to the Geeks for Geeks, W3 Schools, or Tutorials Point. Many. Yes, just a small bit of interest that you need to have in order to start this coding. Number five, and the important, is the practice. See, practice comes, and coding is the skills that comes through practice. Like, work on the small projects, contribute to the open source projects, and challenge yourselves with the coding challenges. Like, there are many exercises that you can do while you are learning coding. Like, the more you code, the more you will become comfort with the syntaxes and the problem solving skills. Every one of us know, like, the more we will practice, the more we will be become with the problem solving. Like, if you do coding for 1 week or one day and stop it, then there is no use in starting your coding journey. Like, we need to do coding each and every day. Like, spend like 45 to 1 hour for each and every day and start your coding. Then it could be a gradual way to increase your coding skills. Like you can start coding from the many platforms like CodeChef, Codeforces, or Lead Code, or even HackerRank, Hacker. There are many platforms that you can learn coding from, and there are many platforms as well, like theoretical paths like Geeks for Geeks and W3 Schools. So you need to have a much practice. Like don't much focus or stress on the basics. Just read the basics for some time, then start coding or start practicing more. The more you practice, the more you will become with the problem solving, and the more you will save your time with the problem solving. And number 6 is joining a coding community. Yes, coding could be a solitary activity. Like it is crucial to connect with others before solving. Like you need to join with the coding communities or forums or attending local meetups. Like you can share your experiences or you can learn from others' mistakes. Like you can do coding on yourselves, but if you could make a stranger or a friend, then you can learn from their mistakes or you can share your experiences as well. See, for example, take a problem or some, like if you could solve that problem in one particular way, then other person can solve the same problem in the different manner. So you can understand their way of perspective on how they are solving the problem. Like he may be solving the same problem in a less time than you, so we need to share the thoughts to each and everyone. We need to make strangers and friends by attending the local meetups or joining coding camps. So it is very important to have a friend who shares your knowledge, or you can share your knowledge with them and join your coding journey. And the last and final one is building a portfolio. See, as you progress, start building a portfolio for yourself to showcase your projects. It can be a personal portfolio or GitHub repository or a LinkedIn profile. A portfolio is a great way that you can demonstrate your skills to the potential employees or the collaborators. See, though you have good knowledge or skills, if you couldn't showcase or explain your knowledge with others, then there is no use in building those skill set. So you need to understand that you need to have a particular website or a portfolio where you can showcase each and every project or skills that, or you can showcase the contest you have participated or the certificates you have earned so far. So each and every achievement can be showcased in a portfolio profile. So you need to build a particular portfolio website for yourself so that you can showcase your skills everywhere. Then there may be an opportunity waiting for you at your doorstep as well. So think of it and build a portfolio for yourself and update your skills day by day and plan your day each and well manner. And what are you waiting for? The video has come to an end. So if you find this video very helpful, share it with your friends and start your coding journey. And if you find this video very helpful, just subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Happy coding. Bye bye. See you in the next video.